You are so small! It's funny to me!
Unlike you, I do not spend my time scurrying through sewers!
Yeah? Well, a sewer smells better than your breath, Bronto Brain!
You'll get used to it when I bite your useless head off!
What is that? Something's dripping! You!
Get a tampon!
Huh? What?
Hear me, Optimus Prime. My name is Vector Prime. Hello? Yes, I have come from the past, the present, the future. I don't know. I've come from somewhere. Okay. I'm here to warn you of a terrible tragedy that will destroy the universe! Is it that bad? Yes. Okay then, so how are we going to stop this great evil? In order to stop this great evil, we are going to go on a pointless anime quest to locate 4 small keys. I see. In order to achieve these keys, I am going to give you all pointless upgrades to your characters that could be interpreted as a dirty sexual joke. Oh my god.
So when did you know you wanted to be a model?
I guess it would have to be the first time I went through the 2nd grade. I caught my reflection in a spoon while I was eating my cereal, and I remember thinking, wow, you're ridiculously good looking. Maybe you could do that for a career.
Do what?
Be professionally good looking.
Couldn't resist.
You must die!
Come here, I'm gonna eat you!
Oh, fuck.
No, no, no.
Run! Fucking run! Yeah! Don't fucking stare at me! Energy signal. Why are you still waiting around for me?
Because you're my friend.
I'm your friend?
Yeah, that's right. You're my friend.
No! No! Does not compute! Does not compute! It does not compute! I said die! What will you? You'll all die! You will all die! You fucking pussy!
Everything's under control. Situation normal.
What happened?
Head slice, weapons malfunction, but everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine here now. Thank you. How are you?
We're sending a squad up.
Negative. We have a reactor leak here now. Give us a few minutes to lock it down. Large leak, very dangerous.
Who is this? What's your operating number?
Boring conversation anyway.
Luke, we're gonna have company!
It's party time! P-A-R-T. Why? Because I gotta!
See? See how utterly evil it is?
I want to hug him.
Touch me and die, unclean one.
It's so precious. I want a teddy bear.
Your death shall not come swiftly. You will suffer the unending wrath of Beelzebub. Everybody shut the f up. Why don't you just stab him in the face with a knife? I already suggested that in the last video, bloody newbie. The maggots of hell are waiting to feast on your corpse. Little girl, can you please try to control your teddy bear?
Kitty!
I am not a kitty. Oh, shut up, kitty.
Ew, you guys have cooties.
Your mother has cooties. Your mother plays card games in hell. I know. That's because I killed her. Oh.
Awakens me. I'm Unicron.
Come
Come here, I'm gonna eat you! No.
Okay, that was weird.